Are you tired of paying monthly for 10 different tools? ChatGPT, Canva, Midjourney, ClickFunnels, and InVideo, just to run your online business? What if I told you there's now one single AI platform that replaces 25 plus expensive tools, helps you create everything from blogs to videos to websites, and even handles traffic, emails, and hosting? All for a tiny one-time price? Let's talk about AI Titan, the brand new AI suite that's shaking up the entire marketing world. Here's my honest take. AI Titan is a beast of a tool. It's not just another AI writer or image generator. It's literally a complete business in a box, powered by advanced AI that replaces almost everything you pay monthly for. If you're serious about growing your affiliate business, agency, or content brand in 2025, this is one of the few tools actually worth grabbing. So what exactly is AI Titan? AI Titan is a cloud-based AI platform that lets you write, design, record, speak, edit, and publish, all from one dashboard. It replaces ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude for content writing, Canva and Figma for design, Midjourney and DALL-E for image generation, InVideo and Runway for AI videos, MailChimp and Aweber for email marketing, Wix, ClickFunnels, and Shopify for websites and funnels. And here's the crazy part. It even includes hosting, cloud storage, SEO tools, video editors, avatars, and voice cloning, all included. That's why it's called Titan, because it's a true all-in-one AI powerhouse. Who's it for? Beginners who want to start an online business without paying for 10 tools. Marketers who want to save time and money. Agencies who want to offer AI services to clients. Content creators who need fast, professional visuals and videos.
Smart ideas don't need noise. They just need clarity and courage.
We believe in empowering sustainable growth. With strategic insights and tailored solutions.
Attention food lovers, your new favorite dish is finally here. Every bite is made with 100% organic ingredients.
Indulge in a culinary journey like no other at Taste Buds.
Hey, tech lovers! Have you checked out AI Titan yet? It's your ultimate AI-powered solution to boost productivity and make life easier.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with just type your script to get started.
Don't miss out. Explore AI Titan.
Welcome to AI Titan Voice Cloning. Instantly creates stunning, lifelike voices with the power of AI. Experience the future of audio, your imagination, our technology.
Hello everyone, I have a big question today. What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my big red car. Vroom vroom.
All right, let's jump into the dashboard. Imagine this part as a screen recording with voiceover. Once you log in, you'll see a clean dashboard with all 25 plus tools organized by category. Let's start with the AI writer. Just enter a prompt, and Titan writes full blog posts, sales pages, emails, or video scripts in seconds. You can even choose tone, format, and language. Next, the AI Design Studio. This is where you create social posts, logos, e-covers, YouTube thumbnails, and even 3D renders. Everything's drag and drop easy. Then, the Video Maker. Choose a script, and Titan generates faceless videos, reels, or talking avatar videos automatically. You can pick voices, add B-rolls, and export in HD. There's also AI voice cloning. You can clone your own voice or pick from 100 plus realistic voices in multiple accents. The website and funnel builder gives you 200 plus pre-built templates for stores, landing pages, or portfolios, fully editable and mobile responsive. And here's the big bonus. Titan even has a built-in email and traffic system, letting you send campaigns or automate social traffic across platforms. All of this is hosted on 1 terabyte of free cloud storage with SSL and no hidden fees.
Hey there. Quick question. What if you could unlock the power of 25 plus premium AI tools and run your entire content, video, image, and website business from one super dashboard? No monthly fees, no tech skills, no limits. Welcome to AI Titan, the most powerful all-in-one AI platform ever built. That gives you the superpowers of an entire team at a one-time price. Right, like ChatGPT launch full-blown AI video podcasts and babyface shows, design like Canva and Midjourney. Build sites like Wix and ClickFunnels. Create videos like Synthesia, InVideo, and Premiere Pro. Clone voices like 11 Labs replace freelancers, subscriptions, and software chaos. Yup, all of it in one platform with unlimited access to every feature. Because let's be honest, AI is no longer a nice to have. It's the fuel behind every successful brand, agency, and freelancer out there. But until now, you had two choices. Pay $500, $1,000 a month stacking 10 plus tools, or sacrifice features, quality, and control. Not anymore. With AI Titan, you get it all. Use it for your brand or sell services to clients. Create unlimited videos, images, content, websites, podcasts, avatars, and more. Save $6,000 plus a year instantly. No subscriptions, no upgrades, no BS. Keep 100% of the profits. This is your business. And it's stupid simple to use. Just pick what you want to create. A video, a podcast, an image, a blog, a site. Click once and let AI do the heavy lifting. Use it yourself or sell it to clients, agencies, or brands. We're talking AI-powered avatars, faceless videos, 3D art, sales pages, VSL scripts, email campaigns, scroll-stopping reels, YouTube shorts, product videos, AI voice avatars in 100 plus languages, studio-quality AI podcasts and babyface show videos, drag-and-drop website builder with free hosting, 75 plus AI agents and workflows for writing, editing, SEO, and marketing, cloud storage, project sharing, and client dashboards. And guess what? There's no basic plan here. This is the ultimate edition. Everything unlocked, everything unlimited. No caps, no credit limits, no feature lockouts. This is the version that saves you money, time, stress, and gives you superhero-level control over content, clients, and cash flow. Whether you want to, launch your own faceless podcast, sell reels and promo videos to influencers and brands, build websites and stores for clients, offer AI services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook, run a full-blown marketing agency, or just automate your side hustle with smart tools. AI Titan puts you in charge. It's the shortcut 99% of people wish they had. And you're looking at it right now. So go ahead, click the button below. Grab full access before we flip this to a high monthly fee. Because let's be real, you'll never pay for ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, or InVideo again. You'll never need to hire expensive writers, editors, or designers. You'll never waste time managing 10 plus platforms. You can even start your own podcast empire without mic, cam, or crew. And if you're still watching this, it means you already know this is the kind of opportunity that doesn't come twice. But I have to warn you, the price is rising fast, and once this launch ends, you'll never see this deal again. There are no monthly and absolutely no hidden costs. Pay once and enjoy lifetime access to AI Titan, the same tool replacing 6,000 plus worth of AI subscriptions. And yes, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. No risk, no catch, just the most complete, powerful, money-saving AI system online today. This is your all-in-one business weapon. This is AI Titan, but that's not all. When you grab your copy today, you'll also unlock exclusive launch bonuses worth $5,997, absolutely free. These bonuses are limited to this special launch period. So once the timer hits 0, they vanish. So, what are you waiting for? Step into the future of AI-powered business and automation, where 25+ powerful AI engines unite to write, design, speak, code, and sell for you. Click the button below to get instant access to AI Titan, your all-in-one business powerhouse for a crazy low one-time price. Act now. This offer disappears soon. Good luck, and I'll see you inside.
Now, like most Warrior Plus launches, AI Titan comes with some optional upgrades, and a few of these are absolutely worth it. OTO1, unlimited, $57, removes all usage limits. You get unlimited credits, projects, videos, designs, and emails. This one's a no-brainer if you plan to use Titan regularly. OTO2, DFY, $147, done-for-you setup. They build everything for you, funnels, campaigns, and content, ready to start selling. OTO3, Traffic, $37. Automated AI traffic engine that drives free traffic 24/7 from social media. Great if you want instant eyeballs on your offers. OTO4, Income Maximizer, $27. Comes with 50,000 plus done-for-you digital books you can resell and keep 100% profit. Literally plug and profit. OTO5, Agency, $97 to $197 and lets you sell Titan services to clients. Comes with full client dashboard and team access. OTO6, Reseller, $67 to $97. You can sell Titan itself and keep 100% of the profits. OTO7, Mega Suite, $127 thing. Unlocks everything. Extra features, templates, and premium AI tools. You don't need them all, but the unlimited and traffic upgrades are the sweet spot for most users. Now, to make this deal even sweeter, I've put together an exclusive bonus bundle you'll get only through the link below this video. These bonuses are worth over $3,000, and they'll help you get faster results with AI Titan. AI Affiliate Mastery. Learn how to use AI Titan to create passive affiliate income. Traffic Blaster Pro, my secret blueprint for getting 1,000 plus visitors daily for free. YouTube Shorts Empire. Build a viral YouTube channel with AI-generated videos. Email Profit Formula. Copy-paste email templates that convert subscribers into buyers. Canva Design Secrets. Learn how to make scroll-stopping thumbnails and ads fast. DFY Affiliate Funnels Pack. Ready to import affiliate funnels built for conversions. Viral Content Multiplier. Get your content shared 10x faster using social triggers. ChatGPT Profit Prompts. 100 plus high-converting AI prompts for copy, videos, and ads. PLR Money Machine. Turn done-for-you PLR products into cash in minutes. 1-year cloud storage upgrade. Extra secure storage for all your Titan projects. You'll get instant access to all these right after your purchase. Just check your inbox for the bonus delivery link. So here's the deal. AI Titan replaces 25 plus expensive tools, gives you 100,000 free credits, and includes commercial rights, all for a tiny one-time price. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, and you get to create unlimited content, designs, videos, and websites. But this launch is on limited time early bird pricing, and once it ends, the price goes monthly. Plus, these exclusive bonuses are only available for the first 25 buyers or until the timer hits 0. So, click the link below now, grab your copy of AI Titan, and lock in all your bonuses before they're gone. Thanks for watching this AI Titan review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Your bonuses and access link are waiting below. Go grab them before the offer closes. See you in the next video.